Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video guys, we're going to be doing a Brazilian butt lift, okay? These exercises are good to lift and shape that booty. So without further ado, let's jump right into it.
Okay guys, so now we're gonna jump right into it. We're doing the rainbow guys. So for this one, we're still on all four guys. You're gonna lift your leg, make sure that it's straight. You're gonna bring it behind you and then return to starting position guys. We're gonna do 3 sets of 10. Remember, whatever you do to one leg, you have to do to the next, okay?
You'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. Ask me how we got here, cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow, where you go, I go too.
Okay guys, so now we're jumping into the side plank hip abduction guys. So for this one, you're gonna lay on the side guys, with your legs lying directly on top of each other, okay? So you're gonna bend down guys, so you're gonna bend the knees, okay? Then you're gonna lift the top leg as high as you can and lower it back down, just like what I'm doing in the video, okay? So we're gonna do 3 sets of 10 for this one.
I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose.
Okay guys, so now we're jumping right into it guys. It's the crossfire hydrant guys. So as you can see, I'm doing a moderation style. We're going to do 3 sets of 10 for this one, okay? So as you can see, I'm on all fours guys, and I lift my leg to the side, bring it back down, and then cross it over to the next leg, or as close as you can guys. So remember, whatever we do to one leg, we do to the next, and we're doing 3 sets of 10.
Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Darling, I've been tempted by the darkness, telling me that I should throw it all away. Fight so hard, my heart is hardly helpless.
Okay guys, so now we're jumping right into the next exercise guys. If you need to take a break, go ahead. If not, then let's go. We're jumping right into the cross donkey kick guys, and I'm doing the moderation style. So you can see guys, I'm on all fours guys, and when I lift my leg, as you can see, I lift it up, then bring it back down, and then cross it over to the next side, okay? And we're doing 3 sets of 10. When we finish the first leg, move on to the next. Thank you so much for watching.